Pag-aaralan naman natin ngayon ang multiplication of algebraic expressions. Number 1, x plus 2 times x minus 5. Gagamitin lang natin yung FOIL method. F for first, x times x equals x squared. O is outside, x times negative 5 equals negative 5x. Then I is inside, 2 times x equals 2x. Then yung L is yung last, 2 times negative 5 equals negative 10. Then, kasamahin na natin yung like terms, magiging siyang x squared. Negative 5x plus 2x equals negative 3x minus 10. Yan, ito na yung sagot. X squared minus 3x minus 10. Number 2. X squared times x plus 3. Kapag ganito, i-distribute lang natin itong x squared. Okay, ganito lang yan. Hindi siya. X squared times x equals x cubed. But naging x cubed, pinag-plus ko lang exponent na 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then, dito na tayo sa x squared times 3 equals 3x squared. Yan, ganun lang to. X cubed plus 3x squared lang yung sagot. Number 3. Gamitin ulit natin dito yung FOIL method. FOIL first, x squared times x equals x cubed. Outside, x squared times negative 3 equals negative 3x squared. Then inside, 2 times x equals positive 2x. Then last na 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6 equals, ito na pala magiging sagot kasi magkakaiba na sila. Ito x cubed, then isa x squared, and ito isa x. Ito yung sagot, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. Number 4, 2x minus 8 times x plus 3. Gagamitan lang ulit natin siya ng FOIL method. F for first, 2x times x equals 2x squared. O is outside, 2x times 3 equals 6x. I is inside, negative 8 times x equals negative 8x. Then last is negative 8 times 3, negative 24. 2x squared, 6x minus 8x equals 2x minus 24. Yan, ito na yung magiging sagot, 2x squared minus 2x minus 24. Number 5, x cubed times a plus 7. Gawin lang natin yung ginawa natin sa number 3. X cubed times a equals ax cubed. Then x cubed times 7, may siyang positive 7x cubed. Ax cubed plus 7x cubed. Ito na yung magiging sagot. Yan, ganun lang yung multiplication of algebraic expressions, and matutunan kayo sa video na to.